Hello, good afternoon. This is a short video to share with you a few of the features within Google Mail that I found super helpful as I try to increase my efficiency in communications. The first is the undo send feature. Now, when you've got an email that you're ready to send, if you hit send prematurely and you wish you could gather that back into draft form, you can. Down in the bottom left corner, there should be an undo button once you've set up this feature in your settings. Top right corner, there's a settings gear. If you click on it and then click settings, it'll take you to the settings menu. Under general, the fourth thing down is undo send, and you can change the amount of time that you have after sending an email to where you can retrieve it back into draft form. The next tip is the scheduled send feature, and I think you might find this one helpful as you communicate with students consistently each day or each week. The down arrow next to the send button in your draft email is the schedule send button, and you can pick a date and time to meet your needs. If you want an email to go out tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. for your students, you can make that happen. Just type in 8 o'clock a.m. and you schedule that send. It'll take care of it for you. And next time you do a scheduled send, 8 a.m. is actually going to be one of the options that it provides for you so that you don't have to type it in each time. I'm going to undo that for now and move on to our next one, which is actually a way to get all of your unread messages to show up at the top and any read messages to go away. So the way you're going to do that is also go back to the settings menu, but for this time you're going to click on the inbox tab. Once you're in the inbox tab, the inbox sections show up right here, and you can make that customized to meet your needs.